Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh, and today we are going to discussing about variables in TypeScript. Okay, and here the variables is basically a where versus let and versus constant. These are the variables we have in our TypeScripting, and also JavaScript are a similar format we have, and how we can able to use it this particular variables. Okay, first of all we need to know about what is a variable. Basically a variable is a container which can hold data hold data. And here TypeScript follows the same rules as JavaScript. How JavaScript is following the right the similar format rules TypeScript also follows for variable declaration. The same rules it will follow for the same rules. Okay, JavaScript is not a typed language because we are already discussed, right? JavaScript is not a typed system. Means whenever you declare something a variable like a similar format, this is a type we declare, right? This is not a format for a JavaScript. We can able to create any value like this, okay, without any type system. Okay, and it means we cannot specify the type of a variable such as a number, string, or boolean. Like this we can't able to provide it. Okay, but in the typescripting language or in the typescripting, what will happen is the typed language where we can specify the type of the variable. Which type of the variable we have to specify it in our typescripting side. Okay, a variable can be declared by using var and let any keyword. A variable can be declared using var, let, or constant. Any one of them we can able to use and we can able to declare. We can declare a variable any of them. Okay, and also we need some set of rules to do it. Okay, first rule we can able to say here both type and initial value we need to do it. And second case only the type which is the type we are going to do, right? That particular type. And only the initial value. And final one is without type and initialize value. These are the cases we can able to use it. Both the type and initialize the same time and use the only type and only the initial value and without any type and initialization variables. Okay, we'll see in the program how we can able to declare that. Okay, first case you can able to see both the cases. Okay, for this I'm going to create a new file that is called var. I'm going to create a varchar type .ts and I'm going to use it for this particular value. And here I'm going to declaring the first one. What is that? Both the type and initial value. Both the type and initial value. Var name colon that is string format. And I'm going to specify my string as a Lokesh. Okay. And I'm going to use for console dot log and I'm going to use for name. Shit. What it is showing that cannot declare a block scope of variable. I'm going to emp underscore name. The same I'm going to use it for emp name. Okay, I'm saving now. We can able to run this particular file and we can able to see it also. Okay, this is called first initialization one, and we can able to use a ts and space dot colon, and we can able to use for a var class dot ts file, and I'm going to comparing my file. Now it is compiled and we can able to use it for node space capital var and class. You can see Lokesh is displayed in here. Okay, this is a one case we can able to do it. Okay, and another case is only type we need to do it. Only type means what we can able to do it, where emp1 colon string and semicolon. This is called only for type declaration. Only for type declaration. Type declaration. And if you want to initialize the variable for that employee 1, you want to initialize the value. How you can able to do it? By using the employee 1, and you can able to use the equal and use the double quotation and provide for testing. This is called initialization value. Okay, we saw about both the cases, and type only declaration, and another one is initialize the value. And if you print this particular one, console dot log, and then use that emp1, and it will install into your local. Okay, and for this we need to first compile this, and then we need to run our file. Now see, Lokesh and testing, both the cases are coming into the picture. Okay, now our fourth case, without type and initialize the value. Without type, initialize the value. How we can able to do it without initialize the type, like without providing a type of a variable, and we provide like this, and we can able to directly create. And now I'm going to create here a var emp underscore name to, and directly assigning a value for testing TypeScript. Okay, this is the way, and we can able to console dot log, and you can provide for emp2. Then we can able to get it the value into inside that. Okay, you can able to get this value into here console. If you compile now again, and you can run it file, and you can able to see testing tutorials point, sorry, testing TypeScripting. Okay, you can able to find that. Okay, this is the way, four ways we can able to do it. And where keyword we can see now. Okay, where keyword. Before that, we need to understand the where keyword. What are the things where keyword can able to have? Where keyword. Where keyword is basically the where variable declared using a where or available within the function. When you declare as a where keyword, right, that time that particular keyword, which is the variable, that variable within a function, it will work out. If we declare them outside the function, then they are available everywhere. It means like global value. If you declare outside of the function, it will available for globally. If you declare a variable inside a function, that will available inside the function itself. Okay. And third case, you can able to say, if we define them inside a code block, they are still scoped to the enclosing function. Because if you write the some block of code, inside the block of code also, if you declare that particular variable, still it is under same function variable itself. It is not outside the function variable. Okay, it will not allow you to do it all the things. Okay, how this all the things will be these three things how we can able to achieve, we'll see for sample code. I'm going to show you for sample code for here. Okay, for this I'm going to create for one keyword, var keyword ts. Just I created a var keyword file, and here I'm going to creating a function. Now function sample I'm writing. Okay, and the sample I'm not declaring for any variable, I just I'm created a function. Okay, in this function what I can able to do it, if true, what exactly true can do that, a var local variable equal to 10. Okay, local variable into 10. Then I'm going to print this console.log, and then I'm going to use for printing for my local variable. Okay, here, and also I'm going to call it the same value inside outside the block of code as well. Okay, now this particular var keyword I can able to access within a function now, right? It will become a true first a block of code also, because we discuss it right here. If we define them inside a code block, they are still scope to enclosing the function. If you create here the function variable itself, okay, and if we declare them outside of the function, then they are available where globally. Okay, if the variable declare using var keyword within a function, that is belongs to the function. Now we declare inside the function, that's why it is belongs to here. Now if I'm going to access this particular variable into outside of the function, now you can see cannot find them in a local variable. Still we are not able to find this one because it is not in outside of the function. Now same variable, if I'm going to declaring a topmost function above, a var local variable equal to 5. Now see, error is gone. The same value we can able to get it here as well. Inside the function also we can able to access, outside the function also we can able to access. If you are not declared the variable as a global, you will get it for here is error. In case if you are not declaring any value uh, outside the function, then you cannot able to get it, like error you can able to get. Okay, and here we can able to step by step I'll write the same things which we as I explained. Var keyword we can access within function. Outside function it is not possible. And let keyword we can access a block of code, a block of code where you declare that block of code only it will get it. And also we can update or redefine a variable variable. Okay, and then the let or constant variables cannot be redeclared or updated within the same scope within the same scope. We'll see these points now. The function within a the variable we can able to access within a function that we saw about it, right? Next one, let keyword we can able to access within a block of code. Now if I'm going to declare this is a let, okay, and you can see within a block of code we can able to access this. So now see, it is automatically showing that cannot find the name, it is a local v, because within a function it is there, but we declare as a variable as a let keyword. That's why we got it for compile time error within a function also, because it will let keyword can help you to identify within a block of code. It is not a outside of the block. Okay, if you create the outside of the block means you have to create another variable. You want to access something different way. Okay, and if you create the constant also the similar format. Okay, both the cases same thing we saw about it, right? And I'm going to declare for var, and we can update or redefine a variable value. Means we can able to redefine the variable value also. You can able to declare here a var keyword equal to 20. This is also possible. We can able to update the value and we can able to redefine the variable. Redefine a variable means you declared a var local here, and also you can able to declare another time, one more time, by using a var keyword, a var like this, without any fail also. You can declare remove this one, and I can able to go ahead and this is my var keyword.ts file is created. Sorry, ts is there. Var keywords. Okay, it is empty. Name is changed. tsc space dot hyphen the file dot ts node space dot slash and file dot js. The value is not declared properly. Now it is schemed because the same function place I added, that's why it is showing like this. Why it is not displaying the value? Mhm. Mhm. It should not provide like this. Okay. Why it is not printing? That is a question, $1,000,000 question now. Okay, sorry. Yeah, now it is printed. Sorry, I forgot to call the function actually. After calling the function, it is like just we created the function, but we are not call the function. Okay, that's why it is not able to create the file itself. Okay, sorry for that. I done the mistake because now we can able to see two variable where local equal to 20 and where local is 10. Both the places it will reflect. Okay, because we forgot to call this sample because that is our case. It is not able to give you proper result for you. Otherwise we can able to, and this is a one format we can able to declare it and our cases. Okay, and if you want to see n number of types, if you like, if you are going to here, now let a equal to 10. Okay, now let s equal to 10. See, automatically without assigning the value itself we are getting the error. You cannot variable s implicitly add and type, but better to make the infra. You can able to redeclare a block scope variable s cannot declare. Like this it is coming now. Okay. If you are going to see for constant a equal to 5 or 4 and again constant a, see immediately it will give you for compile time error itself. It will not allow you to create another constant or let keywords. Means you can able to create a let keyword within a block of code, not for complete section place. Okay, if you create a block of code inside the let keyword, you cannot access into outside of that. If you want to create outside of that, you need to access means you need to create another variable and you need to access it, but you can't able to access for that. Okay, and then we can able to see for the constant. Constant also one kind of variable. Okay, we must declare a constant, a variable with an initial value. If you declare as a constant, that particular value become a constant. You can't able to modify. Okay, but Whenever you declare a constant variable, you must assign a value to that value. Once you assign the value, it won't be changed. Okay, the value cannot be reassigned again. If you declare a constant variable, it won't be changed. How? Means you can see now here, I'm going to use for constant variable x equal to 10. Okay, if I'm going to use for a equal to 12, you can see cannot assign to a because it is a constant. You can directly see that constant. If you want to change something value, you need to use for any operator. This any operator we can able to see in the later video session. Okay, this is all about for a var keyword and let keyword and constant keyword with the different options and with the different approaches. I hope this information help you to understand. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.